Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will show you how to use the templates available on Canva using your mobile device. So let us get started. To begin with, open your Canva application. Here, you will find a vast collection of ready-to-use templates that you can explore and use for your projects. Tap on Templates at the bottom of the screen and search for the specific template you need. For example, if you are looking for a business logo, simply type business logo in the search bar. Canva will then display a wide range of logo templates for you to choose from. Scroll through the options until you find one that suits your vision and style. Once you have found the perfect template, click on it and it will be added to your Canva canvas. Now, the fun begins. You can customize the template to make it your own. Change the text, colors, fonts, and other elements to match your brand or creative vision. With Canva's user-friendly interface, you can effortlessly create stunning designs right on your phone. So, let your creativity shine and make your project stand out with Canva's versatile templates and powerful design tools. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you in the next one.